Hi, my name is Saahas Sagar. I'm the founder of the Indian Keema Factory, and I'm very excited to share my business idea with all of you today. Let me now bring you to the problem statement. Now, there is no single branded Indian fast food chain globally. Now, this is where I see an opportunity to fill the need. My business idea is an Indian originated global fast food chain of restaurants which is operated with immense standardization, lightning speed, and immaculate quality of food. And that's it. The Indian Keema Factory is the solution for this problem. The Indian Keema Factory is driven by speed, high quality, great customer service, which are all key issues in the present Indian fast food businesses. Indian Keema Factory will also be the first Indian originated branded fast food chains globally. Let me now introduce you to the product profile. The business idea name is called the Indian Keema Factory. You can also call it the IKF. Now, the speciality about my business plan is that we are focused, the entire business is focused on one particular product, that is keema, because there's so many varieties of keema recipes which add in a lot of value to my business. And also my business idea offers breakfast packages, lunch packages, and at the same time dinner packages. So this is what makes us unique as a business, as a global business. We have less inventory, simple products, less ingredients, less cooking time, less working capital, higher profit margins, and my business is easily expandable. This also per se brings in a lot of commercial viability to my business, and it is immaculately viable in the marketplace. The Indian Keema Factory follows the global franchising model, which is a B2B, business to business model, and we are driven and guided by this model, the system. And then coming to the B2C, we have on-counter customer relations, customer sales, which brings it to B2C, business to customer. Now the target customers for my business will be all fast food prospects, meaning all those who are looking or who are in search of good, healthy fast food. And also the customer expectations. When the customer walks into my franchise, there's high quality food, there's speed, there's low cost, large volumes, and this is what the customers expect. Let me now show you the sales projections. Here are the 4 quarters of the fiscal year 2020 to 2021. And by the end of all the 4 quarters, the business will be expecting about 11 crore 25 lakhs. Okay, so this brings us to the end of my presentation. I hope you were excited as much as I was. Thank you so much and stay tuned.